Battery operated sconces for walls, great for campers, RVs, where you have no AC and need to put up bathrooms, living rooms, hallways, dining rooms, kids' rooms, and more. It comes in different kelvins from 3000 to 6000 Kelvin, and it could be dimmable. It is a 3-volt system. It needs assembly, and what you get in the package is your sconce, unassembled. It needs to be unassembled from the packaging, and we're going to show you how to hang up. It is very easy to do. Running lines, hooking up light is not possible or feasible. We have here is a bracket that we're going to permanently mount, and we're going to show you how simple it is to hang the bracket up. What you're going to do is level the bracket, grab the screws, and lock down. In each of the kits, you give it anchors and screws, as well as set screws for the fixture that you're simply going to slide on and screw into place. And screw into place. With the pole, lock down. With the lamp cover first, place on. Place the large nut over in the lamp shade, and that goes over here. Spin on. With the seam of the shade cover, place to the back and place on your bulb. With the USB-A, plug into your optional brick. Type-C compliance, plug in to the battery and charge. While the unit is charging, it'll take a couple of hours. When completely charged with the wide end towards the front, place in your battery pack. Slide down and the light goes on. With the supplied 2 AAA batteries, place into the remote control, turn off and on your light. We have the remote control sensor on the lower center, and this is what the remote control looks like. You have an on button, a brightness level, a decrease level, the Kelvin changes, a half an hour, 1 hour, a reading, 2 hour, and 4 hour. The LED wall remote control. Another option of hanging is using the double-sided adhesive pads that you simply take the control unit and place on the back that fits permanently to your wall. This is a fabric, metal pole, plastic base, aluminum alloy battery charge. This is your wall sconce hooked up and ready to use. Place it anywhere imaginable around indoor of your camper, house, boat, and more. The battery operated sconce is remote control only. We're going to hang this up in a different scene and show you what it looks like. The battery operated lights are hung up, and you simply hit the on switch. And we could brighten and decrease the level of lighting, 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100%. We could decrease the Kelvin right down to 3000, right up to 6000 Kelvin. We have a timer of a half an hour, up to 4 hours, and we have a reading mode. Showing the lights in the reading mode as we increase to the 6000 Kelvin and the brightness level. It gives you an idea of what the unit looks like. It gives a nice soft light for your area. In a hallway, in a library, in a studio, anywhere that you need to fill in light. I hope these battery operated lights are something that you are looking for in a remote control only. Simply grab the battery out to replace them and they're very easy to charge. It takes about 8 to 10 hours to fully charge and runs about 8 to 10 hours of run time. Simply put back the battery in for more run time. I hope you enjoy your product of the battery operated Scounces. Thank you for viewing.